here today to show you how to install a hardtop kit, hardware kit on your E36 convertible. There's not a lot of videos out there, and they're not very good videos. They don't really explain a whole lot. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right guys, so to keep it simple, I've already got one side in. Basically all you're doing is taking this flange piece, or whatever you want to call it, and you're going to have it up this way with this on top, put it underneath the bracket that I'll show you in a second, and then you take these two bolts right here and you tighten it down. So here's one already done. See, you just put it up underneath here. It's already mounted to your soft top. If you have a soft top, then you already have this. And this, there'll just be a big gaping spot right here. So then once you just hold it up, run these two in, and then you're good to go. You do the same on the other side. So guys, I know that was a super short video I made. I know I had to kind of throw it together kind of quickly. Things have been super busy with me right now between work, CFC stuff. We're getting ready for an event, November 6th, the Clean Exhibition at the Greenville Convention Center. As you can see, I just got off from work, hence why on a Saturday morning, sun's not even really up, and I just got home. And I stink and I smell like rubber. But there's the car, and I'll show you real quick those tabs that I filmed for you. I'll show you how to lock and unlock them. So, excuse the dirty car, you know, race car life, but all you're going to do is this red handle right there, right there, that red handle, is you're going to twist that so that it locks down into those tabs right in there. There's the column piece right there that it will lock into, and it'll be actually pretty self-explanatory once you do it. But yeah, top is secured, bolted down, has a perfectly good headliner in it. Probably the nicest thing on this whole car as far as OEM stuff goes. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I know it's short, but I'll do a full write-up to post, full article post. I'll post it in several different places. But yeah, that's how you install a hardware kit. If you would like for me to do a part 2, let me know. I'll do a part 2. What I mean by part 2 is I will do the part 2. I'll go in and show you how to install the defrost harness, how to tie it up, make sure that all of your cables are managed correctly and whatnot. So, love y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'm going here and go to bed. But these cool mornings, it's pretty nice. Huge shout out to Fortune Auto for this dope hoodie. They sent me a big care package with all kinds of stuff in it. Super thankful. Thank you, Terry, Nick, the rest of the gang up at Fortune Auto. I missed the open house, but I'm gonna make my way up there soon. Just gotta freaking find time. But love y'all. Peace out.